guys, welcome back to another video. It is Faithfully Blessed and I'm here. I have a video for you all today. It's about the Fashionnova, my Fashionnova package that I received. And so, guys, sorry I'm not all lively today, but I'm trying. I'm tired, but I am here. So, I have the Fashionnova Los Angeles shoebox, and I did get these shoes. Y'all, I know y'all know what these are. They are like the glass slipper shoes. Y'all, they so cute. Anyway. And they already got a stretch on them. And they haven't even been out the box. Like, come on, Fashionnova. Like, what's up with that? Y'all, they got a stretch on the back, even though y'all can't really tell. Y'all, look at that. How Fashionnova gonna send me something that already got a stretch on the back? Like, what? You see that? It's right there. Like, what? Do better, Fashionnova. But they are cute. I just opened my package yesterday and I tried them on. So I will not be trying these on for y'all, but that's what they look like. Just got those yesterday, but I do want to get into this other package that I got. And it is the Nova Beauty Fashionnova kit. And y'all, it still wraps just for this video. It is still wrapped. So I'm going to take the packaging off of it. I'm tearing it out because I'm excited. This thing is $108 online. But I got mine for free. Because I paid over the amount to get the box for free. And so this is just what it looks like. It is the MAVEN Beauty from Fashionnova. And so we're just going to open it. It has like a little seal on it. And we just gonna open it up. So the seal is broken, you guys, and I'm trying to see how they. Okay, so it just opens up like this. So I do like the zebra look in here for the MAVEN Beauty. And in here you see we just have like a little magazine cover, some little stuff. Let's see. So I'll start with this first. I like the fact that she is a black girl on the cover. Let's get it. All day. All day. And let's not forget about other races too. But anyway, y'all. So it says MAVEN Pro Level Makeup made for everyone. We gonna see. It says studio tested, community approved for the ones who do it all and do it for themselves. Be your own artist, be your own hero, be your own MAVEN, be your own. So it has some MAVEN lipsticks. It comes with this little pamphlet. And I have different colors. So of course, you know, they might have red. So we just gonna see what we can do with this. And it has a basic Beats eyeshadow palette. It has like a little thing. Then it has a liquid eyeliner. It has a basic Beats eye cream eyeshadow. We're gonna try that too, girl. Then it has a MAVEN highlighter. Let's get into this look. So in this box, we have all these goodies. Look at that. We have all these goodies. Let me focus on it really quick. So we have all these goodies. And so I'm just going to pull out everything, and I love the packaging. And like I said, I have all the lipsticks. I have two right now, different colors. I have the Snatch Velvet, the MAVEN Red Velvet, and I have the waterproof liquid eyeliner. We'll try that today. And I have the eyeshadow palette, two basic Beat eyeshadow palettes. And I have Oh, I like that. And this is a cream eyeshadow. This is the packaging that it comes in, y'all. So you can see. Alright, so let's get into it. So I already did my brows. I don't have anything on my eyeshadow, on my eyes for my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take these out. So, like I said, these are what they look like. And these two are the Basic Beats eyeshadow palettes. And I will open up all that for y'all so y'all can see everything. Okay. Alright. So today I will be trying the which one? The Velvet, since I got red hair today. And I also be trying the eye cream, the eyeshadow cream. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's see what colors we got for that Basic Beats. Alright. So I'm just now opening up the package for one of the palettes, the Basic Beat palette, just to see what it looks like before we start playing in it. So this, alright, so this is what the palettes are looking like. Y'all, they're just like different brown shadows. And then the other palette, okay, so the other palette is, focus, okay, so the other palette is maybe the darker colors. Let's see. So yeah, the other palettes are more of like the other darker colors and just a lot of colors. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna play with this palette right here. And I'm gonna try their highlighter for the first time. I don't wear highlighter, but y'all, I'm gonna try it for this video. That's the highlighter. And it got like a little mirror, which is perfect, honey. I can use a little mirror to kind of see what I need to do. Anyway, so that's that. So we're gonna get started with this, with my eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the Basic Beats Cream Eyeshadow. So this is it right here. And I'm gonna open it up. And they got it in Broly. They got it in the lightest shade based on the instruction guide, because that's what I'm reading. So we're going to take a little bit and let's see if I can use this. Okay, so we're going to take a little bit and put it on the eye.
57. 58.
I'm putting just a little dab.
60. That's 4 minutes. 55. Okay, sweetie, I really have to get ready for my meeting.
Then I'm gonna take my brush, and don't judge me. Hold on 1 second. Don't judge me. I'm using my palette brush that I just used earlier, so do not judge my brush. So basically, I'm just gonna take it just like this. There we go. So that could be like a base if you want it to be. But I'm just gonna pat it so you can get all over the eye. Alright. So once we have it evenly patted all over the eye, make sure I pat this one. And look how bright it looks on me. Okay, so now I got the Basic Beat Cream eyeshadow on. This is what it looks like on me. So now I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna try the first MAVEN shadow, which is, I'm gonna do
30 hertz straight up.
I really want to do this orange shadow. Let do a little orange, and then I'm going in with that pop of red on my eye as well. So just so you all can see it. It don't really look orange. It looks more brown to me, but you can't really tell. Okay, so that's one eye, and now I gotta do the other eye with it. Just trying to spread it across. And I really didn't even know they had like a beauty brand, but they do. And so I think that's pretty cool to buy from Fashionnova, and they have a beauty brand for you to choose from. Okay, so I'm just working my way with that shadow. And it's like the more I put on, the more I can work with, seems like. So I'm just gonna try to put a little bit more on so that color can come out. Alright, so right now, as you can see, the color is starting to change because I'm putting more on. And so now, since we got like that like reddish base coat almost for the eyes, I'm gonna now go, okay, so I get it. So I'm gonna now go in with like some red. So here is the red, the MAVEN Red Velvet. I am super excited to try this color from the magazine. It looks great. So we're gonna see on how does it work on the eyes and then on the lips, okay? So this is what it looks like. I really like their style of this. And so you just twist it and it comes up, and y'all, it is red. And that's what I'm talking about, red. Y'all, look at this beautiful color. Let me do it again so you can see. So I'm gonna put it back down.
58, 59,
and I'm gonna twist it.
60,
look at that beautiful color.
Okay, sweetie, I really have to get ready for my meeting.
Y'all, it might be worth it, girl. I don't know. But we about to see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pretty much just use, and I know y'all probably saying, girl, why are you gonna use that for your eye instead of your lip? Well, because you can. They ain't tell me how I can do it, so I'm gonna do it the way I want to do it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit off, not a lot, just enough off to utilize it for my eyes, because it's gonna be our color for today. So, and I just want to see how this color is gonna pop. This red gonna pop on the color it already has. So let me see. And I'm just patting that red on. Basically, all I'm doing is patting it on. And really it look more like a pink instead of a red, but that's okay. I'm just showing you all what it looking like. Then if I have to go back in and add another red on top of that, I will. But it's not really a red, it's like a velvet. But I do want to show like the color of how vibrant it is so you all can see it. How vibrant these shades are, just me dapping that color in without me doing really anything. Because sometimes these colors are not as vibrant and you have to do a little bit more. And so I'm almost done with it. Make sure I have enough so it can be like red. Okay, and so y'all, I'm just filling in that color. Okay, so the color is almost there. I'm just patting to get more product. That's it. I'm patting to get more of a product. Okay, so as you see now, you see the build up. So I put the cream eyeshadow on first. Okay, and then I went in and put this red velvet lipstick on. And this is the shades that I'm getting on my eyes, just so you can see. So far, all right. And so now, I'm gonna try to use everything today to make this look work. So I'm gonna just slide this back down and put it back and twist it. So we're done with that. Now I'm gonna go to the waterproof eyeliner. So everything is like that orange color where it pops, sticks out. Girl, what? I don't think wait a minute. I think that's the wrong side, you guys. Hold on. Not really sure why it has that on now. Oh. Wait, y'all. What the hell? Hold on. It's not telling me how to use this.